Dear student, how are you? I hope you are well. I am also fine. Now we are going to discuss about changing sentences. Today's topic is how to change sentences assertive to interrogative. Please look at the board and listen to me. The first sentence followed, she is feeding the chicken. This sentence will be in interrogative how. We know when auxiliary verbs are in sentences, to interrogative the sentence we use the auxiliary verb before the subject. And you also know that the given sentence is in affirmative, you should make it in negative in the interrogative form. Now, she is feeding the chickens. It will be isn't she feeding the chicken? And note of interrogation. Similarly, the next sentence follow the sentence. This sentence is in negative. We make it in affirmative in the interrogative form. Now the sentence will be, can Rana drive the car? Note of interrogation. Similarly, the next sentence, you get up at 5 p.m. Now you notice the sentence, the verb is in simple form. We know that when a sentence is in interrogative or negative, as auxiliary verb we bring do and does. Since the sentence, the verb is in present form or present simple form, now we will bring do. And the sentence is in affirmative, so it will be in negative. So don't you get up at 5 a.m. Note of interrogation. The next sentence, he likes to mix with good boys. Here the verb is also in simple form, present simple form, and yes is added with the verb. So we will bring auxiliary verb does, and this sentence is in affirmative, so we will make it negative. That means doesn't he like mix with good school, good boys, and note of interest. To mix with good boys. Similarly, the next sentence, they do not take tea. Here, the sentence is in negative form, so we make it in affirmative in the interrogative sentence. That means the interrogative sentence will be, they do they take tea? Note of interrogation. Mother does not scold me. Here, does will be auxiliary or does. Since the sentence is in negative form, we will make it in affirmative form. Does mother scold me? Another item, everybody wants to be happy in life. If everybody is in sentence, to make it interrogative, we replace who in everybody in the place of everybody. Who since the sentence is affirmative, we will be negative. Does not. Who does not want to be happy in life? And note of interrogation. Who does he believes a liar? Similarly, in place nobody, we will use who, only who. Who and the rest of the sentence believes a liar. Note of interrogation. Who believes a lie? There is nothing in the bag. While making the sentence in interrogative, we will anything in place of nothing, and the auxiliary verb will sit before there. Is there anything in the bag? Note of interrogation. The last sentence, I have never been to Coxbazar. Here we use ever in place of never, and the auxiliary verb will sit before the subject, and the sentence is in negative, we make it in affirmative. Had I ever been to Coxbazar? Note of interrogation. Students, I hope you understand that today's class, the changing sentences, assertively interrogative. I hope you understand. Okay, thank you very much. Be safe and maintain distance.